Hey, West Mitsubishi here. Come on in and take a look at this brand new 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. This brand new vehicle, just like all brand new Mitsubishi vehicles, comes with a 10-year, 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty. This vehicle is powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with an automatic CVT transmission, power windows, power locks, AM/FM stereo with auxiliary port, Bluetooth, and USB connectivity. This is the SE package, 18-inch alloy wheels, aluminum fuel door, rear spoiler, keyless entry system, white cloth interior, steering wheel mounted cruise control, audio control, vehicle information controls, touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated front seats, leather wrapped steering wheel, back seats will fold down to give you extra cargo space inside. This can seat 5 people, blind spot monitoring system, power folding mirrors. West Mitsubishi is a member of Credit Union Direct Lending and can offer low interest rates and reasonable payments to well-qualified buyers. West Mitsubishi also has that triple check guarantee. We check competitors' pricing, offer a vehicle history report, and all certified pre-owned vehicles come with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty. See this vehicle and hundreds more at www.westmitsubishi.com or call toll-free at 530-936-2300. At West Mitsubishi, it doesn't matter if you have good credit, bad credit, or no credit. We can get you to a newer, nicer vehicle or into a brand new Mitsubishi vehicle like this 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport SE today.